Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 8th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Hedera Hashgraph today on HBAR, trying to see if the bull run is still here. Because yesterday's trading action into the market in HBAR, you guys can see that the price ended up almost 11%. That could be indicative of the bulls trying to control the price and break this market in HBAR above 8 cents. Will they be able to do it? Because that's the current problem right now that is keeping the lid on HBAR's price. Let's talk about it. Now, before I do, check it out. I already got a price prediction on my chart for HBAR. You guys can see that back here on the 22nd of January, I was playing some weakness into the market in HBAR, and that is precisely what the market has done. Now, you guys can even tell here that my ultimate area of support was right there around 6 cents. The market in HBAR held it 200 of a penny above that. 0.06 cents is where the market in HBAR came and held support. So we was in the vicinity. We had a general idea as to how low price was going to go. And individuals try to tell you that you cannot do these things, that you cannot pinpoint where prices are going to turn or how low it's going to go. This is a prime example that you can. A lot of these trading days, you guys can see that buyers neglected to not let price fall below 0.062. This is just simply amazing once you all can see these things before it actually happens. So hopefully you all was able to grab some profit out of that move to the downside. You guys can see you have multiple occasions, multiple opportunities to come in and grab the bag. 24th of January, 25th, even here on the 30th of January, the 31st of January, even on the 1st of February. These were days to where you could have gotten 12% out the market. Congratulations to those who was able to do it. But now let's get right back into our idea of the bulls controlling the price in HBAR. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to simply change the trend. The market in HBAR has confirmed on numerous occasions since I did the video, namely the 1st of February, then the 6th, and then again on the 7th, that the overall trend is still intact. Nothing changed. The market in HBAR is still trending bullish. So that's a plus for the buyers. Second thing, we're still trading below 8 cents though. So this is where the battle line is going to be drawn between the buyers and the sellers. Buyers are down here on this trend line. Sellers are up here around 8 cents. Which one is going to win? Now, basically off of the price action yesterday, it looks like the buyers have an edge against the sellers right now. But my concern is the volume that came through yesterday. So we saw an immense amount of volume come through yesterday, right? Massive amount of volume came in, and then we also saw the price in HBAR close off the highs. Could that be selling? Like, could the sellers try to stage a counterattack and try to push the price down in HBAR? Could be. Now you guys can tell that the buyers is still taking a hit. Like, the price currently is still trending higher in HBAR right now. So maybe that counterattack had no impact on the buyers at all. You would think it would, looking at how much volume came in the market in HBAR yesterday. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. You guys can see that the demand is still there. That selling had no impact on the market in HBAR. So there's still some strength on this market for HBAR to continue to allow it to go up. Okay. And looking at this on the 2-day chart, you guys can still pretty much see it. Every attack that the sellers do, the market reverses course, which is indicative of buyers are still interested. They're trying to tell us that price is cheap here. The buyers in the market in HBAR right now is telling us that price is relatively cheap right there, because the market is holding its own weight and it's continuing to inch higher. That is a dead giveaway that the market is telling us that it finds the price attractive, cheap. They're looking for it to go higher. That's what the market is trying to tell us. Okay. Now look at this on the 3-day chart for HBAR. I'm here to tell you again, in the next 12 hours and 6 minutes, if this market in HBAR closes up here at the high of the bar, I'm definitely going to look for price to continue to go up. Okay. So that's very good to see that on the 3-day chart. But again, we need 12 hours to allow it to complete. Here it is on the 5-day, 1 day and 13 hours on this completion of this 5-day price bar. Again, that looks bullish to me too. So I'm going to play some strength into the market in HBAR. Now, again, let's not be antsy and let's say that the market in HBAR is going to do a moonshot. No, we see that 8 cents is a problem. So we're going to place that as our first price target. Right there where that horizontal line is. That is where we're going to place our first price target. My second one, I'll go ahead and give it to you now. It's going to be here, which is around 0.0868. It might be around like 9 cents. Okay, right there around 9 cents. And then my third one would take us around 9.5 to 10 cents. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead and put this on the chart and see what we got. So we said that that first price target is here, 8 cents. That's 5.5% from where the market currently is in HBAR. Okay. Show you all my magnifying glass. That will give us what? 5.5%. Right there around 8 cents. My second one, you guys can remember, says it's going to be around 8.5, like 0.086. That gives us around 12.75. Price target 0.086, right around that area. And then let's just do 9.5 cents for the third one. That's 23, almost 24% market move in HBAR there, 9.5 cents. So now you guys got those price levels that I'm looking for price in HBAR to go. And I'm going to hold that resistance area around 8 cents because I really want the buyers to take that out. If they're able to take that out, then definitely the market is going to be massively strong and bullish. Okay. Now, in terms of allowing the validity of this prediction to go on, we want market in HBAR, definitely we want it to hold this trend. We definitely want to see the market in HBAR hold this trend line and stay above it. But let's say that it doesn't. We do not want to see price in HBAR fall below 6.5 cents. Okay. So now that is where we're at. I'm done. And it's your turn to go ahead and try it yourself. You know, give a price prediction. Let everyone know what you guys think the market is headed for HBAR. If we don't break 8 cents or, 0.082, understand that the market is still weak and we may actually hit a plateau there and begin to see a dissension in price. I'm just here to give it to you real. I know you guys maybe don't want to hear it because I know there's a lot of other people on YouTube hyping you all up on these cryptocurrencies, but I'm keeping it real. You guys want to join me, hit that like button instead of it, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.